Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix off the grid game, crashing, not launching, freezing, black screen or stuck on loading screen on PC. So let's jump to the solution. The first solution is to simply restart your PC. Just click on Windows icon and then restart your PC. Now launch the game and check. Second solution is to run the game from the shortcut icon from desktop or from the game installation folder. So launch the game from the desktop icon here or launch the game from the game installation folder. To do this, open Steam, go to library, right click on off the grid, manage, select browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Open G01 folder, go to binaries, go to Win64. Now double click G01 client Win64 shipping exe file to launch the game. Third solution is to modify game launch options. Try -DX11 or -DX12 in launch option. To do so, open Steam, go to library, right click on off the grid, select properties. Here in general tab, in the launch option, type -DX11. Now launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties. Now type DX12. Now launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then remove the command from the launch option and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fourth solution is to delete OTG folder. Please note all saved settings will be lost, so backup this folder to desktop first and then delete it. To do so, open File Explorer, go to C drive, users, your username folder, saved game folders, right click on OTG folder and delete it. Now launch the game and check it solves your issue or not. Fifth solution is to run the game as admin or try running the game in compatibility mode. So to do this, open Steam, right click on off the grid, manage, browse local files, open G01 folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Now right click on G01 client Win64 shipping exe file, select properties, go to compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply. OK. Now launch the game from here and check. If that doesn't work, then click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8, hit apply. OK. Now launch the game from here and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization, click apply. OK. Now launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then uncheck all the boxes in the compatibility tab, hit apply. OK. Then follow the other solution mentioned in this video. Sixth solution is to allow the game through the firewall, antivirus or disable antivirus program. If you have installed any third-party antivirus on your system such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, etc., then simply allow the game through the antivirus program or simply disable it. Later you can turn it on. But to allow the game through firewall, here follow the steps. In Windows search, type Windows Security and open it. Click on Virus Threat Protection. Scroll down, click on Manage Ransomware Protection. Click on Allow an app through control folder access. Click Yes to allow. Click on Add an allowed app. Browse all app. Now go to game installation folder. Go to this PC, C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam app, common, off the grid folder, open G01 folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Now select G01 client Win64 shipping exe file, open. Next, in Windows search, again type Windows Security and open it. Click on Firewall and Network Protection. Click on Allow an app through firewall. Click on Change setting. Allow another app. Browse and browse to game installation folder. Go to this PC, C drive, program files x86, Steam app, common, of the grid folder. Open G01 folder, binaries, Win64. Select this exe file. Click open. Click on add. In my case, it is already added. Make sure both private and public is tick mark. Now launch the game and check. 7th solution is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. To do so, type graphics settings in Windows search and open it. Click on add desktop app. Go to game installation folder. Open G01 folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select G01 client, Win64 shipping exe file. Click on add. Scroll down, expand it. Here select high performance and then launch the game and check. 8th solution is to update graphic card driver. So to do this, type device manager in Windows search and open it. Expand display adapter. Right click on your graphic card and select update driver. Then click on search automatically for driver. Then launch the game and check. If it is not working, then perform a clean installation of your graphic card driver. To do so, if you are NVIDIA user, then go to NVIDIA official website. AMD user, then go to AMD official site. I am showing the example of NVIDIA driver. Here select your graphic card models and then click on find. Click on view. Then click on download. Once it is downloaded, then run the executable files and perform a clean installation of your driver. Link for installing the drivers is given in video description. 9th solution is to verify game files. To do so, open Steam, right click on your of the grid game, select properties, go to install files, click on verify integrity of game files. Once this is done, launch the game and check it solves your issue or not. 10th solution is to install Microsoft Visual C++ files. To do so, go to this site. It is a Microsoft official website. Scroll down. Now download x86 and x64 version. Download both versions and install them. After installing them, launch the game and check. 11th solution is to update Windows. To do so, click on Windows icon, go to settings. On the left, click on Windows Update. Here click check for updates. If any updates is available, then download them, and once the download complete, launch the game from here and check. 12th solution is to check graphics settings. If your game is launching, then you can go to the in-game settings, and if this graphics settings set to higher, then lower it and then check. Last solution is to simply uninstall and reinstall the game. If none of the solution work for you, then simply uninstall it. Then delete all the folders related to of the grid game. Then fresh reinstall it. Then launch the game and check. You can also download it on another drive or SSD drive and then check. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel.